Hi folks, Jody here with Galaxy RV out in Langford. We're extremely pleased to have with us today Zach Jacobs all the way from LeGrand, Oregon, and he's our representative for the Premium Outdoors RV brand. Zach, why don't you just take us through a little bit about what makes this such a premium RV?
Hello guys, like Jody was saying, my name is Zach Jacobs with Outdoors RV, Regional Sales Manager, the Canadian Territories and the West Coast of Oregon. Today, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video upon showing you a couple components of this brand new Creekside 19 MKS. First, we're going to start it off with the X4 off-road suspension system and as a whole. So we're going to dive down in here. You're looking at the MORryde CRE 3000 suspension. That's going to give your chassis 3 extra vertical inches of up and down travel. That's going to have 7 greasable fittings, all going to be bronze bushings too, instead of the ABS plastic bushings. You're also going to feature the KYB world-class shock there. That's going to be 1 shock per tire, so 4 shocks per outdoors RV. You're also going to see the oversized shock plates, axles mounted underneath your leaf springs to maximize clearance, as well as your US Goodyear Endurance 10-ply E-grade tire with a reinforced sidewall. So once again, you're not going to have to go buy a new set of tires there after getting your new unit.
Thanks so much about that information on the suspension there, Zach. Can you explain to us about the chassis on this unit and what makes it so doggone good?
Absolutely. And so just like all models, this Creekside 19 MKS is going to be sitting on a custom-built chassis per floor plan. So once again, we place the tanks where we want to, where our engineers have designed them in terms of those custom-built chassis right in there.
So here on Vancouver Island, Zach, we have a lot of people that actually live in their RVs. High cost of rent, high cost of living, and RVing is an easier way and a less expensive way for people to just manage their month-to-month expenses. What makes the insulation on this unit so unique?
Absolutely. And to dive in on the insulation portion, you're going to be looking at 3 layers just within your floor joists in your chassis. Those are going to be 2 layers of your R7 Pink Panther fiberglass insulation, followed it up by 1 layer of the solar reflective insulation blanket. Take a peek up on the ceiling, you're going to get those same exact 3 layers that I just spoke upon that are in your chassis, once again, in your ceiling as well. Another insulation base is an outdoors RV. Comes standard with a 2-inch bonded aluminum wall, and that is every single wall. Your slide outs, your rear wall, your slide out, your top of your slide out, and once again, all the sides too. So once again, insulation barrier of the 2-inch bonded aluminum wall.
All right, we're now inside this beautiful 2024 19 MKS by Outdoors RV, and I wanted to highlight a little something here. This is commonly called a Murphy bed, but in the outdoors RV land, we call this a wall bed, and there's a specific reason for that. Zach, take us through it.
Absolutely. And so now I'm going to show you those features of the new industry first wall bed. So you start it off right here. You're going to have a 40 by 90 sturdy dinette within that wall bed. That's allowing for ample room to eat right in here, play cards, whatever it is there. Once you're ready for bed, flip this bad boy up. Now you're looking at the first ever industry wall bed with our toy hauler hinge right in here. Easy clip up 40 by 90 dinette. And then now you're ready for bed. Simply get these nightstands out. Follow the bed support here. Like Jody was saying, your industry standards Murphy bed has a 3/4 cut in your shoulders right here for the mattress. In our outdoors RV wall bed, this is a 60 by 80 premium trim mattress right in here from Heartland. And so once again, no cut right in there, full 8-inch mattress system.
One thing that blows my mind about this 19 MKS is the amount of space inside for a 19-foot trailer. I look at the space in here and I think it's much, much larger. So Zach, can you just take us through a couple of the high points, including the countertop, and let us know what makes this thing so spacious?
Absolutely. And to start it off right there, you're going to be looking at 10 feet 7 inches of counter space, once again, in this 19-foot coach. In this Creekside 19 MKS, you're also going to have a standard theater seating with 1 slide. However, you do have the option, if you have someone coming over, some grandchildren, whatever it is, you can get a sleeper sofa as well. So once again, now you're in that 19-foot trailer. You have an extra bed or your theater seating within the slide, as well as your 60 by 80 premium trim wall bed and the dinette. A couple other really important features on this 2024 Creekside 19 MKS is what? This unit is fully feasible with the slide out in. As you can see right here, we've brought that slide in for you guys. What's still feasible? Your 60 by 80 queen mattress, your dinette, if that's what you're wanting to do, theater seating, or your optional sleeper sofa, as well as you could get to the bathroom, you could get to your refrigerator, your 10 feet 7 inches of counter space, as well as your storage, all with what? This slide out in.
So that's a wrap on the 2024 19 MKS from Outdoors RV. And we have a lot of other models coming in as we speak. They're on their way up. We've got the backcountries coming up. We're even talking about getting the fifth wheels up here. I want to thank Zach Jacobs from coming up all the way from La Grande, Oregon. And folks, if you want to do yourself a favor and have a look at one of these in person, it is a premium quality RV that will last you a long, long time.